In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Supertrend Indicators in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find the indicator, how to add it to your chart, adjust it, and remove it if you need to, all without getting lost in the interface. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is the same. Once your chart is up, look at the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the toolbar above your candles. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in tools, community scripts, and technical studies. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a few different sections. To keep things simple, move over to the area labeled Technicals. Click on Technicals so that TradingView focuses on the standard technical indicators that most traders use. This just helps filter out a lot of the extra scripts you don't need when you're starting out. Now, inside that same window, look for the search bar. This is typically at the top of the Indicators panel. Click into the search bar so you can type. This search feature is really powerful, and it's the fastest way to find any indicator you want without scrolling through long lists. In the search bar, type the word Supertrend. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results. You should see the Supertrend indicator appear in the list, usually under the built-ins category. Once you see it, click on Supertrend to add it to your chart. Immediately, you'll notice a new overlay on your price chart with colored lines that change when the trend direction changes. That's your Supertrend indicator. If you want to fine-tune how it looks or behaves, move your mouse over the indicator's name on the chart or in the data box and click on the settings icon. This opens the settings panel for Supertrend. Here you can adjust things like the multiplier, period, and colors, depending on how sensitive or conservative you want the trend signals to be. Take a moment to explore these options so the indicator matches your trading style. If at any point you decide you don't want the Supertrend on your chart, open that same small menu next to the indicator name and click Remove. The indicator will disappear from your chart, but you can always add it again later by repeating the same steps. Finally, if you're not already using TradingView Pro and you want access to more advanced features and a smoother experience, check out the link in my description to sign up.